Sport Plus. The fuck is Sport Plus?
More responsive throttle, keeps it in the lower gear all the time. 14.5 after refuel, but I only drove the 5 miles.
How wide are the tires on this thing?
285 in the back.
285?
That's nothing. People put 305s on this bitch. See, the gayest thing is there's no fucking good roads to fucking even open it up here.
You gotta go on Oak Park. By that.
Like fucking at this temperature, there's never any fucking traction, dude.
Shit was fucking spinning, dude. God damn it. Yeah,
Bitch, what are you doing? So like if you're going, the exhaust is loud, but once you start, you let off a little bit.
Yeah.
No drony, but on the highway, this bitch is loud.
What are your RPMs at when you're cruising?
Like 1800, around 2000.
And it's still loud?
It's 8-speed, and that's right where the drone is at that RPM.
Oh, fuck. 1800. Going how fast?
80.
Get the fuck out of here. That's
speed.
nice, dude.
You could take that shit to Michigan real quick.
Yeah, Pinto.
Get some good miles per gallon.
Fuck it. Yeah, at that I would have expected to have more than 24 on the highway.
Everything.
Fucking would have
you
been
still would
broke.
have never
up the boys.
You still would never have passed emissions.
Emissions. Bitch would have been sitting in the garage.
Jimmy, she's got coast is clear.
Jesus Christ, what kind of brakes does this thing have, dude?
6 pistons, buddy. Big 6 pistons.
Not gonna lie, man. Almost shit myself right there.
I'll do it.
Towards the end of
Imagine
that pool.
Imagine an M5 that has fucking double the torque and more horsepower. Rear wheel drive.
That's insane.
It is insane. What do you mean?
I don't know, I felt like you were having trouble braking, man. Do you see
How much
it's
torque
big?
does this have?
389.
389.
I mean, dude, the brake pads that, because the other ones are performance, they don't have as much bite on them as the other ones do.
It's the factory ones.
Is that you fucking pushing it or are you tapping on the gas?
That was almost full throttle.
So pedal to the metal?
Yeah. Hold to die.